Hi everyone. So do you want a custom AI agent that can do anything for you? So we have built an AI agent that will interact with our local Ollama large language model, and it will be completely a RAG-based model. So in this, we will start asking this RAG-based model about anything. So let's go to the production link, and here we go. Let's ask what are LLMs, and now this is taking time by bringing all the data from external resources and giving you an accurate answer. So this workflow is getting executed and it is bringing data. Isn't it amazing? Look, so we successfully built an AI agent without coding, just drag and drop in n8n. Wow.